Hey everyone, Greg from CarID.com and welcome back to the shop. In today's video, I wanted to showcase one of the most popular lift kit brands in the aftermarket and even discuss some of the history behind the company that designed and builds them. This time it's going to come from the team that's mission is to offer affordable quality lift kits so you can lift your truck for less, and this is Rough Country's 6-inch lift kit for all 15 and up Ford F-150 trucks. Now let's say you own a late model pickup and you want to lift it, but after doing some shopping, you're starting to see a trend. Most 6-inch lift kits can be incredibly expensive, ranging anywhere from $2,000 all the way up to $4,000. Well, the team over at Rough Country built their entire reputation on building quality lift kits for less, so no matter what your budget is, even you can drive a lifted truck. Now, Rough Country started designing and building truck parts back in 1975, and originally it was just off-road shocks. Years later, they started working their way into the lift kit market with the mission to offer affordable lift kits so you can go off-road on a budget. And to this day, they still live by that motto with everything that they manufacture, from their lift kits to off-road light bars, running boards, and all the other truck accessories that they offer. But let's get the kit that I have with me today. So again, this is Rough Country's 6-inch lift kit for all 15 and up Ford F-150 trucks. This is one of the best options available to get a 6-inch lift kit on your truck for a hell of a lot less than most competitors. Now, throughout the years, Rough Country has in fact given themselves a bit of a bad reputation for building lift kits with subpar quality. And I gotta say, I have to agree with it. Now, if you look back on some of the kits that they built 10 to 15 years ago, they certainly had their fair share of issues. However, Rough Country acknowledged all of them, and more importantly, they listened to their clients. So not only did they remedy a lot of the older issues, the quality and engineering of their new kits has vastly improved. So well done, Rough Country, for just listening to us. Now let's start with what's included in this specific kit. Now, as you can see from this workbench, it's quite a bit. Rough Country does give you everything that you're going to need to get this kit installed, and unlike other lift kits that I have reviewed in the past, no additional parts are needed. This kit will come with durable cast iron steering knuckles, a 1/4-inch thick steel cross member, front strut spacers, rear lift blocks specifically designed to eliminate axle wrap, and of course, all the brackets and hardware to bolt it all together. I'm honestly really impressed on how extensive this lift kit is given the price, and I still think it's one of the best options out there to economically lift your truck. So not only is this Rough Country lift kit extensive, but it's also offered in 3 different configurations. Now, the one that I have with me today is going to be their entry-level kit, which again uses front end strut spacers and rear lift blocks to do all the lifting. And with that increase in lift height, Rough Country also includes a set of extended rear shocks. But this is just their entry-level configuration. If you want, you can upgrade to their fully extended front strut assemblies, which is going to require you swapping over your factory springs to a taller strut. Or if you want, you can just go all out and bolt up their top-of-the-line kit, which includes fully adjustable Vertex front coilovers with external reservoirs and even a set of extended rear Vertex shocks also with external reservoirs. But I can't stress this enough. The great part about all of these kits, no matter what configuration is going to work best for you and your truck, is they are all affordable. The team at Rough Country really does want to help you guys lift your truck for less. Well, everyone, to wrap up this video, if you're in the market for a 6-inch lift kit for your F-150, but you don't have $3,000 around to spend it, head over to CarID.com right now to check out this extensive and well-engineered lift kit from Rough Country. And while you're there, don't forget to check out the long list of other fantastic truck parts and accessories that they have to offer. And as always, I'm Greg from CarID.com, and I will see you guys next time.